When we talk with Beckhoff and our technology, we always talk about EtherCAT. You remember yesterday, the day before, we talked about EtherCAT, the communication backbone, about performance and so on. And now I am in the field of our terminals, but I don't want to talk about EtherCAT. I would like to discuss with Sebastian the news and the features of Ethernet APL. So let's get some light into the dark. What is Ethernet APL?
So Ethernet APL is a new communication technology for the process industry. It's based on two standards. On the one hand, we have the Ethernet, the IEEE Ethernet standard, which is designed for the communication speed of 10 Mbits per second. We have a maximum cable length of 1 kilometer, and we do that all over just a single pair of cable.
Okay.
On the other hand, we have the explosion protection, which is an ISC norm. And this is designed for the intrinsically safe environment, and use that over the same pair of cable to get the energy to the field devices.
Okay, so that's the technology in the field for basically explosion-proof applications, mainly maybe process industry. We have a wide range of products for that since a couple of years, so this is also our core expertise. But why have we chosen now Ethernet APL as an addition to this portfolio?
Ethernet APL has a few benefits for the process industry. The one keyword is digitalization. So we want to get more information out of our plant. For example, via a web server, we want to have just more information about the process. We want to do predictive maintenance, and all of that means we need more data. We need a higher communication speed, which the current technologies like HART, like Foundation Fieldbus or Profibus PA just don't provide.
Okay.
Yeah. So that's the idea behind Ethernet APL, why we need that.
Okay. Now, usually we put all these new technologies in the same form factor, and I see already, Sebastian, you have a terminal in your hand. It's a 24mm wide one. So that's all it needs to get access to Ethernet APL, just one terminal?
Exactly. So that's our idea behind that. We do not need a big switch or something. We have it all in our small terminal in our ELX series. And we have on 2 ports on these 24 millimeters. It can be directly connected to all the other ELX terminals and all the other EtherCAT terminals. So we can directly connect to other communication technologies.
So it's perfectly in line with all the digital inputs and outputs and analog signals we have. You just put it in between. Now, maybe finally, what is the reason for this approach? So why have we chosen that?
The idea is that the customer wants to use the existing technologies like HART, like Foundation Fieldbus, or just like single 4 to 20 milliamps of signals. And we want to provide a solution to combine that with a new technology like Ethernet APL. So that's the idea. That's why we've chosen this solution and to integrate it into our existing system, of course.
Perfect. Thank you so much. Now, for you as a customer, the success story continues. We take the existing portfolio of our explosion-proof products, ELX, and just by adding one other terminal, you get the next feature to it.